Many of us are still confused with the question, who can become data scientist? Well, the answer is anyone with a background in a field such as statistics, mathematics, computer science, or engineering can become a data scientist. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills, as well as experience with programming and data analysis tools, are also important qualifications for a data scientist. Additionally, a passion for working with data and a desire to extract insights from it is crucial for success in this field. A data scientist is a professional who is responsible for analyzing and interpreting complex data sets to extract valuable insights and inform business decisions. Data scientists typically have a strong background in fields such as statistics, mathematics, computer science, or engineering. They also possess a range of technical skills, including programming, data visualization, and machine learning. In order to become a data scientist, one should have a strong aptitude for problem-solving and analytical thinking. This includes the ability to work with large and complex data sets, as well as the ability to identify patterns and trends within the data. Data scientists must also have a deep understanding of statistical analysis and machine learning techniques, as well as experience using programming languages such as Python, R, and SQL. In addition to technical skills, data scientists should also possess strong communication and teamwork skills. This is because data science is a highly collaborative field, and data scientists often work with other professionals, such as business analysts and software engineers, to turn data into actionable insights. A passion for working with data and a desire to extract insights from it is crucial for success in this field. Also, having a continuous learning attitude and keeping oneself updated with the latest technologies, tools, and methodologies in the field is important. Furthermore, having a relevant degree in fields such as computer science, mathematics, statistics, or related fields will help to get a better understanding of the field and make a smoother transition into the role of a data scientist. In summary, a data scientist is someone who has a combination of analytical, technical, and communication skills, a passion for working with data, and continuous learning attitude. Anyone with these qualities and relevant educational background can become a data scientist.